This beautiful convertible is up for grabs. It's a 67 Impala, but it's also an original 327 Super Sport car with only 72,000 original miles. Now, as you can see, this thing is solid. The floors are solid, the trunk, and of course the frame. The quarters are straight and ready for whatever color you want to put on her. Yes, she needs a paint job, but other than that, this is the perfect foundation for you and your build. This fully restored engine bay offers a brand new 400 small block, bored 30 over with flat top pistons, edelbrock heads, and pushing 400 horse. Aside from the fully restored engine bay, you're also getting a fresh black bucket seat interior. This thing has been detailed down to the console. It is absolutely beautiful inside. Not only does this car fire every single time, it also has a kill switch. The only thing this car is missing is a brand new top, which is here in the box ready to install. And of course, the paint job of your choice. So if you're looking for a 67 convertible, this is the one.